There's nothing quite like being at sea and then experiencing the spectacular views from your cruise ship as you pull into a charming port city in some little corner of the world. There really is a cruise for everyone. With so many different cruise lines and ships, each with their own atmosphere and clientele, you're certain to find one that fits your lifestyle and budget. We're proud to be a certified cruise specialist and will assist you to better understand the whole cruise experience and to find the cruise line and ship that best suits your personality. There are cruises that promote a fun atmosphere, cruises that have amazing activities and amenities, and cruises that offer educational or cultural experiences, to name a few. Cruises can be romantic or a family affair, from contemporary cruises to the utmost in total luxury. As your personal travel specialist, we can arrange your shore activities and tours, as well as air transportation and any pre- or post-hotel stays. Let's set sail. Give us a call or visit our website. We'll guide you to the best ports and help you make the best decisions when it comes to your cruise vacation. We're proud to be a true travel specialist.